Experience the magic of the Bahamas, a breathtaking archipelago of over 700 islands and cays in the Atlantic Ocean with stunning turquoise waters, powdery white sandy beaches, and a vibrant marine life. This tropical paradise is a beloved destination for travelers from all around the globe. Visit Nassau, the captivating capital city located on New Providence Island. Immerse yourself in its rich culture, delve into its fascinating history, and revel in its vibrant entertainment scene. Explore the ancient forts like Fort Charlotte, discover local crafts at the lively straw market, or soak up the energetic ambiance of downtown Bay Street. For a tranquil and secluded getaway, head to the Out Islands, also known as the Family Islands. Here, you'll find pristine beaches, charming villages, and a myriad of opportunities for outdoor activities like snorkeling, diving, and fishing. Don't miss the natural beauty and laid-back atmosphere of Exuma, Eleuthera, and Harbor Island. The Bahamas is a melting pot of diverse cultural traditions, influenced by African, British, and American heritage. Experience the enchantment of Junkanoo, an exuberant street parade with its roots in West African culture, vibrant music, mesmerizing dance performances, and intricate costumes make this celebration a true spectacle. With a warm climate welcoming locals and an abundance of natural wonders, the Bahamas is the ultimate destination for relaxation, adventure, and a taste of blissful island life. Come and discover the magic of this Caribbean paradise.